This is John. When you do it, I have a problem with the door here. In my last video dealing with this, we replaced the locking mechanism, the actuator. Then I discovered that the wires here in this harness are broken, and we think, the community of Dodge owners thinks it's the result of repetitive opening and closing. So you can see that this is one of the wires that are busted, so I'm going to take this entire harness off. I'll take the door panel off so I can get access to this harness, and we'll repair each wire. We remove this screw. I forget what size Torx bit this is. But that's a screw that holds on the handle. Handle's just plastic, no reinforced metal or anything. It's maybe T-35. That looks like it says T-35. Okay, so this comes off. Now, inside here, wiring harness. Simply remove this, push it in, door comes right off. There's that little tab there, that white tab I pushed in. That allowed me to remove it. Putting the speaker out of the way. And the hopes is that I can pull this away far enough that I can get access. The harness comes in it. There's a clip that goes into this spot right here that holds the wiring harness bundle where it enters the door cavity. So I removed that, and now what I'm trying to do is get, what I'm hoping this is going to allow me to do is see where these wires are broken and fix them. What I have right now are the orange and green wires that unfortunately the break in the wire, when I'm pulling this boot through, it's pulling the wires with it because the wire is bunched up and caught on one of the bends in this boot. What gauge wire this is? Maybe it's 18 gauge, 14 gauge wire. So I'll take this 14 gauge wire and see if it'll go through. Alright, so the first wire I'm going to splice is the green one. Alright, so what I did was I doubled the wire up, taped it together, pulled it through, so now I'll even out this wire and then I'll cut it in half. Now the wires I have extra here. You can see that's the extra. So I'll bundle that up and tape that together. That one goes right here. Now you know when you have it installed correctly, you can see the screw hole. Okay, this is a number 3 Phillips. That is not tight like I expected to. Okay, there we go. Alright, everything works now. Thanks. This is John. Would you do it? Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment. Let me know if this helped you or not. This is John. Would you do it? Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Most importantly, hit the subscribe button and make sure you leave a comment. Let me know if this video helped you or not.